Hello friends, I am Prashanth Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel Sociocritic. Today, let us discuss about 10th standard history lesson, opposition to British rule in Karnataka. So here, only this much points you have to remember. You have to answer this much questions. Definitely will get good mark from this lesson. Let us start. First of all, here we are having more about Anglo-Mysore Wars. So in Anglo-Mysore Wars, so especially First Anglo-Mysore War, Second Anglo-Mysore War, and Third Anglo-Mysore War. Which points you have to remember? Who fought the First Anglo-Mysore War? Hyder Ali and British. And this war ended with the Treaty of Madras. So Madras Treaty ended the First Anglo-Mysore War. And Second Anglo-Mysore War. Again, Hyder Ali, he fought the Second Anglo-Mysore War first half and second half by Tipu Sultan against the British. And main reason for the Second Anglo-Mysore War was the British captured Mahe. So that Mahe was under the control of Hyder Ali, which was the main center of French. So it was occupied by the British, and Hyder Ali opposed that, and because of that this war broke out. And Hyder Ali died in the war. And Tipu Sultan concluded the Treaty of Mangalore with the British. So in this way, with the Treaty of Mangalore, Second Anglo-Mysore War ended. Next, Third Anglo-Mysore War. Third Anglo-Mysore War fought between Tipu Sultan and the British. And so another question, friends, just observe, who was the Governor General at the time of Third Anglo-Mysore War? The common question. So Lord Cornwallis, you should know. And what was the reason for that? So main reason for the Third Anglo-Mysore War was the politics of Travancore. There was politics in Travancore. That is the main reason. There is one more question actually. In MCQ also been asked. And here, this Third Anglo-Mysore War ended with the Treaty of Srirangapatna. Srirangapatna Treaty ended Third Anglo-Mysore War. Okay. And Fourth Anglo-Mysore War. So in the Fourth Anglo-Mysore War, Tipu Sultan died. And at the time of Fourth Anglo-Mysore War, Governor General Lord Wellesley. So these 2 points you have to remember. Third Anglo-Mysore War, Lord Cornwallis, and Fourth Anglo-Mysore War, that was Lord Wellesley. And then, after this, other kingdoms, that is Kittur. At Kittur, Chennamma opposed the British rule. There especially, Mallasarja, Chennamma's husband, he died. When he died, Shivalingarudra Sarja, their son, came to power, but he died. So here the main thing is, who was the son of Chennamma and Mallasarja? Shivalingarudra Sarja. He died, untimely death for him. So afterwards, Chennamma adopted a boy. So that is Shivalingappa, who was adopted son of Chennamma. Shivalingappa. So there is a question here. And then another part, the rebellion of Amarasulya. So here the main point is Amarasulya rebellion is mainly the farmers' rebellion. Farmers, they rebelled against the British. So these are the main points you have to remember for 1 mark question. Next, long answer questions, 2 mark, 3 mark and 4 mark questions, especially 2 mark questions, causes and effects of Anglo-Mysore War. First Anglo-Mysore War, what are the causes, what are the effects? Second Anglo-Mysore War, what are the causes, what are the effects? Third Anglo-Mysore War, what are the causes, what is the effect? Fourth also like that. In my video, in this lesson, I made the points and I showed that when I explained that. You can see that. And here, another thing we have to remember, that is the Srirangapatna Treaty. Here one question comes, what was the effect of Third Anglo-Mysore War? And another question, what are the conditions of Srirangapatna Treaty? For both, same answer. Because Third Anglo-Mysore War ended with the Treaty of Srirangapatna. And here only one point you have to change. So the effect of Third Anglo-Mysore War, there you have to add Tipu Sultan was forced to sign the Treaty of Srirangapatna. And remaining, Srirangapatna Treaty, what are the terms of Srirangapatna Treaty? Tipu Sultan was forced to surrender half of his kingdom. So first point. Another one, he had to pay 3 crore rupees as war indemnity. Till he pay that amount, he has to pledge 2 of his children. So these are the main points I have to cover in the Srirangapatna Treaty. That is 2-mark question. Very important one actually. Srirangapatna Treaty, very important one. And another one you have to observe, causes for Third Anglo-Mysore War and Fourth Anglo-Mysore War almost same. Tipu Sultan had contact with the Afghan rulers. He continued his relationship with the French. All these points common for both. And effect of Fourth Anglo-Mysore War. And in the another one we have to observe, causes for Fourth Anglo-Mysore War can be asked in another way. That is, why the British attacked on Srirangapatna in 1799. So that is another question. Same answer, but different type of question, different way of asking. Fourth causes for a Fourth Anglo-Mysore War. Then explain the method of resisting the British power by Dondiawag. Dondiawag, important one, long answer question, 3-mark question. So this is important one, and I explained that one with the points in my video. You can observe that. And contribution of Puttabasappa in Amarasulya rebellion. Contribution of Puttabasappa, very important one. And 2-mark questions here. You have to observe Surapura rebellion and rebellion of Bedas of Halagali. These two are 2-mark questions. That is also explained, very easy one, and you can get very good mark here. So easily you can read and you can get good mark from this lesson actually. So these are all 1-mark questions. These are all 2, 3-mark questions. So this is about the lesson opposition to British rule in Karnataka. Definitely it will help you, and I will come with another video with another lesson. Thank you very much.